Hello friends, you are watching YouTube channel Number Collage. Today I bring you a comprehensive discussion on the PYQs, that is previous year questions of NEET Physics. Effort has been made to discuss the solutions to the point, giving the viewers exact idea of the various concepts and calculations applied during the solutions. Hope you will like my effort. Studying PYQs, that is previous year questions, is important because it gives you a fair idea of the type of questions that you can expect in the coming exam. It keeps you on the right study track of trending questions and saves you from doing unnecessary work. In this video, I bring you a comprehensive discussion on the PYQs on physics for the NEET 2024 examination, and today's topic is NEET Physics, Units and Measurements. So let's get straight into it. Question 1. In a vernier calipers, n plus 1 divisions of vernier scale coincide with n divisions of main scale. So we have n plus 1 divisions of vernier scale division equals n divisions of main scale division. That gives us vernier scale division equals n upon n plus 1 divisions of main scale division. We name this 1. Next it is given 1 main scale division represents 0.1 millimeter. We have to write vernier constant in centimeter, that is list count of this vernier caliper. We have list count of vernier caliper equals main scale division minus vernier scale division. That will be from 1 main scale division MSD into 1 minus n upon n plus 1, putting value of 1 MSD 0.1 millimeter, that is 0.01 centimeter, because we have to answer in centimeter, into n plus 1 minus n 1 upon n plus 1. So the vernier constant, same as the list count of this vernier caliper, will be 1 upon 100 into n plus 1 centimeter. So the correct answer option will be B, 1 upon 100 times n plus 1. Question 2. We have to find the quantities which have the same dimensions as those of solid angle. Now solid angle d omega is dA upon r square. Here both area and r square have same dimensions, so they get cancelled and solid angle becomes a dimensionless quantity, m raised to 0, l raised to 0, t raised to 0. Here strain is delta L upon L, a dimensionless quantity, and angle as well, which is a number in degrees, again dimensionless. Hence the correct answer option is A, strain and angle. In the remaining options, stress has dimension while angle does not have. In C, strain does not have dimensions while arc is a length which has dimension. Angular speed is per second has dimension, and stress is force upon area has dimensions. Question 3. A force defined by F equals alpha t square plus beta t acts on a particle at a given time. We have to find the factor which is dimensionless if alpha and beta are constants. Since alpha and beta are constants and the force acts on a particular time t, the factor that involves alpha, beta and t will be dimensionless. Here force is sum of two quantities alpha t square and beta t. So by the principle of homogeneity, dimensions of alpha t square and beta t will each have same dimensions as that of force. Dimension of F equals dimension of alpha t square equals dimension of beta t. Now alpha, beta and t being constants, we can write alpha t square equals beta t, alpha t equals beta, alpha t upon beta equals 1. Being a number is dimensionless. So the correct answer option here is B alpha t upon beta, which is a dimensionless factor. Question 4. In an electric circuit, the voltage is measured as V equals 200 plus minus 4 volts and the current is measured as I equals 20 plus minus 0.2 ampere. We have to find value of the resistance. By Ohm's law, we have resistance R equals voltage upon current. Now by the rule of error of division, we write delta R upon R equals delta V upon V plus delta I upon I. Putting the values 4 upon 200 plus 0.2 upon 20, which will be 4 plus 2 upon 200, 3 upon 100. Let's find R. 200 upon 20, 10 ohm. That gives delta R equals 3 upon 100 into R, 0.3 ohm. Now the value of resistance will be R plus delta R, 10 plus minus 0.3 ohm. So the correct answer option here is B, 10 plus minus 0.3 ohm. Question 5. The pitch of an error-free screw gauge is 1 millimeter. So we have here P equals 1 millimeter and there are 100 divisions on the circular scale. So circular scale division is 100. From this we can find the list count of the micrometer screw gauge, which is pitch upon circular scale divisions 1 mm upon 100, 0.01 mm. While measuring the diameter of a thick wire, the pitch scale reads 1 millimeter. That gives us main scale reading of the screw gauge to be 1 millimeter, and 63rd division on the circular scale coincides with the reference line. That means circular scale divisions are 63. We have to find diameter of the wire. So diameter of wire will be main scale reading plus circular scale divisions or circular scale reading multiplied by list count LC. Putting the values 1 mm plus 63 multiplied by 0.01 mm, that gives 1.63 mm, which is 0.163 centimeter. Hence the correct answer option is B, 0.163 centimeter. Question 6. The potential energy of a particle moving along x direction varies as V, which is ax square upon root x plus b, and we have to find dimensions of a square upon b. Potential energy varies as V, which implies Pe equals k times V, which also implies dimension of Pe equals dimension of V. In V equals ax square upon root x plus b, by the principle of homogeneity, dimension of b will be same as dimension of root x, that is L raised to half. We name this 1. Here in dimension of b we can write dimension of ax square upon dimension of b. Now potential energy is mgh, that is mass, into gravitational acceleration meter per second square, that is L, into t raised to minus 2, and h, which is length L. So dimension of potential energy will be m L square t raised to minus 2. So from this equation 2 we write dimension of Pe m L square t raised to minus 2 equals dimension of ax square will be a, x is length along x-axis, so L square, upon dimension of b from 1 is L raised to half, that will be a L raised to 3 upon 2. So a will be m L square t raised to minus 2 upon L raised to 3 upon 2. That gives m L raised to half t raised to minus 2, and a square m square L t raised to minus 2. We name this 3. From 2 and 3 we finally write a square upon b, which is m square L t raised to minus 4 upon L raised to half, which finally will be m square L raised to half t raised to minus 4. Hence, the correct answer option will be C, m square L raised to half T raised to minus 4. Friends, if you like this video, please click the like button. Share this video with your friends and classmates. Post constructive comments to make the videos better. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Until then, keep watching Number Collage. Thank you.